In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have Google Tag Manager connected the right way, so you can manage all your tracking from one place without touching your site's design over and over. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. In the top right corner, click the search icon. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the setting we need. In the search bar, type code. Then select code injection from the results. The code injection panel has two main fields, header and footer. We'll use both in a moment because Google Tag Manager gives you two snippets, one for the head of your site and one for the body. Now switch to your Google Tag Manager account in a new tab and open the container you want to install. At the top of the workspace, click the installation link that shows you the setup instructions. This reveals two pieces of code, the standard script that belongs in the head and a no-script snippet that belongs just after the opening body tag. Click the copy icon next to the header script in Google Tag Manager. Go back to Squarespace and paste that entire snippet into the header field of the code injection panel. Don't alter the code and make sure you're not duplicating any previous Tag Manager script. Only one container snippet should live in your site's head. Next, return to Google Tag Manager and copy the body no-script snippet. Head back to Squarespace and paste this into the footer field of the code injection panel. Squarespace doesn't provide a direct body field, so the footer area is the appropriate place for this snippet. This placement is widely used for Squarespace sites and ensures the Tag Manager fallback can load properly. When both snippets are in place, save your changes in Squarespace to apply them site-wide. A couple of quick tips for smooth tracking. Keep your Tag Manager container ID consistent with the account you intend to use across environments, and avoid pasting these snippets into individual pages. Using code injection ensures they appear on every page automatically. After saving, give your site a moment to update. When you're ready, you can manage all your tags, like Google Analytics, Ads Pixels, and event tracking, directly inside Google Tag Manager without editing your Squarespace code again. That's it. You clicked the search icon, typed code, opened code injection, grabbed the installation snippets from Google Tag Manager, pasted the header script into the header field, and pasted the body snippet into the footer field. Save and you're done.